Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn Math with me. Friends, this video is for those students who are afraid of maths, who always think that I'm not good in maths, I can't understand maths forever and ever. But no, everything is possible in life. In the name itself, impossible, there is possible. There is nothing in the world that a human being can't do. We can do everything what we actually wanted to do. Just we need to concentrate and be confident that yes, I can do it, right? So today in this video I will tell you how to get complete interest on maths. So first, why we get less marks in maths? Because we get bored of maths. We completely lose our interest if we don't get solution. Then we get irritated and put books aside, right? See, this is the big mistake we always do. See, when you get irritated or lose your interest, just remember those classmates and friends who are good in maths and getting super appreciable marks, and think, when my friend and classmates are good in maths and getting super marks, why can't I? What happened to me? We both are learning from the same teacher. When they can, why can't I? Because they are practicing more, learning with superb interest. Here the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Practice and practice. As we all people hearing from our childhood, practice make man perfect. See friends, whenever you study maths, just keep it in mind that without mathematics, there's nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you are numbers and numbers. Whether you study physics or mathematics, both need maths help. Maths is the boss of every subject. If you don't put interest in maths, you can't ever come in toppers list. So this is the time you get up. So whenever you start studying maths, practice and understand it with a peace of mind and complete respect towards your books, so that your mind automatically get activated and thinks, yes, I have to concentrate now. This is a very important work to me. See, every topic in maths is so important to us. Without differentiation and integration, we can't get good marks in our higher studies. See, maths is not a problem to be solved, but a number to be enjoyed. Enjoy maths. You will definitely love maths more than other subjects, trust me. Mistakes are proof that you are trying, you are learning. Whenever you start studying maths, think, I have to be serious. I have to learn. I have to learn, and I must learn for this. For this, the only thing I have to do is to concentrate, practice and enjoy maths. Believe me, there is no easier subject than maths, because there is nothing to by heart. Just we have to do is practice two or three times, that's it. See, remember one thing, always don't ever by heart your subject, always understand and study. Students who by heart will never ever to be a topper. They won't receive sufficient knowledge. Okay. Now, coming to formulas, how to remember this formula? This is the big tension of every student. I can't remember formula, what to do? Practice. Practice 10 questions maximum related to one formula, so that you can understand it so easily. Even I used to follow this, still I am following. Trust me, it works. And write all formulas in one sheet and read that daily, so that it get completely fixed in your mind. See, you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determining to learn, no one can stop you. Maths is not a mental attack to handsome students. It's about miracle of nature, art of arithmetic, tool of knowledge, habit of problem solving, and evaluation of civilization. So let's learn, practice and love maths. So these are the few tips by me to love and learn maths. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thank you. Have a good day.